Okay, so the next part of your module, we have solving problems involving quadratic equations. Solving problems or relating our topic, i-relate na to into real life scenarios, tinuod nga kinabuhi. Okay, maybe ma-encounter nyo ng mga problems. So, if you know how to solve quadratic equation, then it is very simple for you to find the values of the missing number. Okay, example, we have example 1. The top of a rectangular table has an area of 27 square feet and a perimeter of 24 feet. What is the length of the top of the table? What is the width? Okay, ang pangutana. Ang scenario is, nailamisa nga ang iyang area is 27 square feet. Diba? 27 square feet and a perimeter of 24 feet. By the way, what is a perimeter? Okay. A perimeter is a continuous line forming the boundary of the closed geometric figure. Okay, example, naatay square, rectangle. Rectangle, nga kani siya 2, 3, 2, 3. We know that a rectangle is a plane figure in which ang atbang nga side is the same. So, kung 3 na nga side, 3 pa na nga side. Kung tungan at this side, then 2 also in this side. So, since we are referring to a rectangle. Okay, next. So, perimeter. If we talk about perimeter, we're going to find the continuous line forming the boundary of a closed geometric figure. Or shall we say, to find the perimeter is this one. We know that this one, asa ni kataas? 3. Plus, kaninga line 2. Plus this line 3. Plus this line 2. So, we have 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 3, 8. Plus 2, 10. So, therefore, ang perimeter din niya, ani, ang kataas kung atong, kung kini nga box, kung ato ning himuon nga line, i-connect nato ang tanan line, tanan boundary niya ani, mahimod ang kataas uno niya ani is 10. That's it. Okay, now, let's proceed to our problem. Okay, unsa tong problema? Okay, find the length of the top of the table, then find the width. Okay, here is the process. Okay, to find the length, okay, first, we know that pila ganito ang iyang area, 27 square feet. And our perimeter of the table is 24 feet. 24 feet. Okay, next. Okay, next is we're going to find the formula of the area of a rectangle. Unsa ganitong formula sa area of a rectangle? Simple as length times width. So, muna iyang formula. Area of a rectangle is length times width or LW. Length, width. How about the perimeter? So, we have perimeter is equal to 2L, 2 length plus 2W or 2 width. Nganong 2L, 2W? So, we know, since we know that 2L is duha iyang length. Can see 3 and the other one 3. And we have the width 2. So, we have also 2. Duha ka width, duha ka length. That's why we have the perimeter of 2L plus 2W. Okay, next step. So, we know that the perimeter is 24 feet. We have the formula. We have the area. We have also the formula. Okay, next step is, since ang atong area is 27, di ba? Atong area is 27. So, we substitute the area 27, then, or we have, so, pwede natin yung masulat as, area of a rectangle is equal to 27 feet, square feet. Then, since the area is equal to length times width, then we know that ang atong area is 27 square feet. Then, substitute nato ni into 27 square feet. So, we have 27 square feet, or let's have that number, is equal to LW. Okay, then we have this one. Same ra na sila. Gibali lang. Okay, next, we're going to find the perimeter. Okay, kabalo na ta sa atong area. Let's solve for the perimeter. So the perimeter is, pila gani ang perimeter? We have 24. The perimeter of a rectangle is 24. Okay, then, so since 24, then we know that the formula of the perimeter is P. The perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So, substitute. So, since kabalot ta sa perimeter is 24, so pulian nato ning perimeter into 24. So, we have 24 is equal to 2L plus 2W. Next step is 2L. Next step is, since all the terms are divisible by 2, so atong i-simplify or simplify by dividing both sides by 2. Divide 2, divide 2, divide 2. Okay, next, we have 24 divided by 2 is 12 is equal to 2 divided 2 is 1. So, copy L plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. O, copy W. So, then we derive in this equation. Morning nasa taas. Morning nasa taas. This one. This one. Then, next step is, we're going to find the value of length. So to make the formula of length, so simply as we have L is equal to this one, mao na siya. Dayon is equal to 12 minus W. So kung aron makita nato si length is equal to the perimeter 12 minus width. Okay. Mao ni siya. Same ra ni siya kani, just transform into this one. Okay. First, bear in mind that kung this one, length, kung mabalo nato sa pikas, may mo siyang negative. But, pwede po nato positive lang gyapon siya. In the way that, this one is positive. In the way that is equal to, kani siya, positive man ni siya, di ba? Wala nato gi-change ang iyang sign. So, pabiling nga positive. Kani siya, gitabok sa pikas, but, so that's why, may mo siyang negative W. Okay, anyway, you will find out this one. Kani siya is same as this one. Okay, next step is, so nanatay duha ka equation. Okay, unsa tong duha na to ka equation? Kani and kini. Mo ning nasa taas. Mao ni siya. Next step is we're going to find the value of next step is we're going to substitute the value of ani di ay. So since nag-refer ang kaning example sa width, so pwede width. Okay, pwede length. Para sa ilang answer. So we have two equation. Okay. Using the system. Unsa gani ang system? Mag-solve ta sa duha ka equation, two equation by finding the value of the variable. Okay, so we have kani duha ka equation, mao ni siya ang sa area, mao ni siya ang sa perimeter. Ba? Mao ni siya ang area, mao ni sa perimeter. So how? So since we know that ang value ko ni W is 12 minus L. Ang value ni W is 12 minus L. So kani si W, di ba? Makita nato sa taas na W sa taas. So kani si W, kani atong pulian sa 12 minus L. Kay kabalo man ta, giingon man dani sa below equation nga si W daw is equal to 12 minus L. So since na W sa taas, pulian nato si W into 12 minus L. So we derive in this equation. Mao kani siya, mao ra ni siya. But kani lang si W gipulian nato nani. Kani si W gipulian nato ani. Kay naingon man siya dani si W daw parehas sa sila ani. So gipulian nato kani siya dani. Then we derive in this equation. Next step is ang nasa gawas i-multiply sa sulod. So we have L times 12 is 12L. L times L is L squared. Then is equal to 27. Then next we have 27. We're going to solve this one. Pwede na siya, diretso naman na siya. Dani, ba? So we're going to solve this one by finding the value or the value of our variable. Okay, how? Okay, then we have giyon sa man siya. Okay, ani class. Okay, naglibog ko sa natingala ko sa equation, but example this one. So atong isulat ni otro, we have 12L minus L squared is equal to 27. Okay, or to simplify this one, aron simple siya tanawon, ang kaning na ay squared atong giuna. So we have negative L squared plus kani 12L is equal to 27. Okay, since negative si L squared, so negative siya. So we're going to transform this one into positive. So unsang paagi? Mag-multiply ta og negative 1. Then distribute, aron mahimo ni siyang negative times negative is positive L squared. Negative times positive, negative 12L. Then negative times positive is negative 27. Morning naa sa man siya dapit doni. Ba? Libog ba? Okay, then we have utrohon nato aron mas masabtan. Okay, we have LW is equal to 27. L plus W is equal to 12. Okay, substitute the value of transform this one. This will become L is equal to 12 minus length. So since si W, ang value ni W is 12 minus L, so gipulian nato si W ani into 12 minus L. So we have L 12 minus L is equal to 27. Distribute, L times 12 is 12L. L times L is negative L squared is equal to 27. Next, simplify this one, negative L squared, katong ingon ako ganina, plus 12L is equal to 27. To make this one positive, kani, so multiply tag, negative 1. So this one will become L squared minus 12L is equal to negative 27. Next step, solving this one by completing the square. So we have finding the value of L. Duha ka value ni L. So since this is a quadratic equation, okay, we have L squared minus 12L plus blank is equal to negative 27 plus blank. Okay, how to find the value of blank? So we're going to get the 12. Okay, kuha na to si 12. So 12 divided by, pila itong i-divide? 2. I-squared na to into 2. So we have is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6. Then 6 squared is equal to 36. Then therefore, what term we put in the blank is 36. So we have 36. Therefore, this expression will be transformed into L minus 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then squared. So, kani siya is same as this one. Is equal to this one. Pila man ni? 36 minus 27 is 9. Then to solve, put radical sign, then cancel radical sign, cancel 2. We have L minus 6 is equal to plus minus, what is the square root of 9? 3. Then, next step is, we're going to separate plus and minus on the sign of the 3. So we have L minus 6 is equal to 3, and L minus 6 is equal to negative 3. Positive 3 mo ni siya, negative 3 mo ni siya na side. Then, to find the value of 3, we have plus 6 plus 6. We gain, this one is 0. We gain L is equal to 3 plus 6 is 9. Then, plus 6 ba? To make this one 0. So, plus 6. Then, we gain L is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, therefore, so since we are referring to the edge of the table, diba? Table ang atong problem, ani? Lamisa. Okay, so since we are referring to the table, therefore, ang length of the table is length is 9. And the width is 3. Nganong ang length is 9? Nganong ang width is 3? So since we know that kung unsay taas sa edge sa table, that is the length. Unsay gamay, that is the width. So that is the rule. Okay. To shall we say, to check if tinuod ba gyud. Okay. Unsay ganitong area sa table is equal to 27 square feet. Ba? 27 square feet. So kung tinuod ba gyud, so we have length times width. So length times width, finding the area of a rectangle is length times width. So since our length is 9 and our width is 3, so 9 times 3, so we have 27. That is the area. Okay, how about diba, ano ni siya? To figure out, ana, so kanina siya 9, kanina siya 3. 9, 3. So, ang area of a rectangle is length times width. So, pila gani atong width is 9. Atong length is 9, width is 3. Then, 9 times 3 is 27. That is 27 square feet. How about our perimeter? Our perimeter is equal to, i-add ni tanan, 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3. So, we have the formula plus 2W is equal to 2. What is our length? Our length is 9. So, we have 9 plus 2. Our width is 3. So, we have 3 is equal to 2 times 9 is 18 plus 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 18 plus 6 is 24. Then, we derive in the given problem, diba? On example, the top of a rectangular table has an area of 27 square feet. Check. And a perimeter of 24 feet. Check. So, therefore, the length is 9 and the width is 3. Okay, by the way, continue answer activity 3. We have 4 problems, but if you continue looking for viewing this video, so I will provide number 4. Okay, number 4, 3 consecutive positive integers are such that the sum of the squares of the first and the product of the other two is 46. Find the integers. Okay, akong yatag sa inyo, serve as a bonus katong nagtanaw sa video. Okay, we have this one. Screenshot aron mansiran. Okay. Okay, good luck and God bless.